Hey guys, I'm here in my van, sitting here parked in New Orleans again, and I wanted to tell you about today's prime deals. Number one, these headphones right here are cheaper right now. I use those all the time. I have them in my pocket right now. See, these are those Tozo earphones. I love these. And they're really good. And they're cheaper than $25 right now. And they're going down today. So that's good. Number two is a switch. I have those switches for my lights and stuff like that in the van. That's went down too. You can see the price right here. Number three is a porta potty. The porta potty is pretty good because if you live in a minivan or a van like mine, you could actually fold it up and stick it in a drawer. So that's pretty cheap right now. I would recommend that too. And the last thing that I saw that's available on Prime for a good price today is these JBL speakers. I love the JBL flip speaker. I have two of them and they link together. So you should actually look into that. So these are the prime deals that I'm thinking about for today and tomorrow. You can see them right below this video and they'll be on one of my websites. So please buy something and have a great day.